What is up, guys? We are back. We're at the same pond as usual. I tried to spot up the river on the river. The river's not quite frozen enough yet, so we'll have to wait about probably another couple weeks for that. But in the meantime, we got this beautiful place. We got, I think, 11 shacks I counted. This guy's got a flag already, so it should be good fishing today. We're gonna try setting up over right in there between that white bob house and the land there. Hopefully we can get on some bass. I want to bring home some perch, you know, whatever bites. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys stick around. I'll catch you when we catch some fish. All right, I think this is gonna be the spot for today. It is quite windy out here and snowing, so I want to get this tent set up real quick. That way I can just kind of hide. So that's what we'll do. I know how deep the water is here roughly, so I don't need to pull out sonar and check. It's a nice thing about fishing places, you know, so you don't need to do the whole drill and check every time. We got it all set up, guys. Today we even got some foam floor mats to keep my toes nice and warm. We got our heater, one hole for dead stick. Well, we don't even have minnows, so just 2 jigging holes, just in case someone stops by. And got everything hanging up. Now we're ready to fish. Let's see what else we got for lures. Try to put a hook on this thing without a pair of split ring pliers, because I forgot them at home. It only took me about 10 minutes and a hook to get this split ring to open to put this hook on. But now we've got a different style bait to throw. Looks like we're marking one down there. Alright, there's one down there. Here we go. No, he's chasing it. Yep, there he is. Let's go. He was chasing it up. Nice. First perch of the day on that Invincicore Creek bug. He clobbered that thing. Alright. Let's get this hook on now, you buddy. Just a little guy to start the day off, but cannot complain. Get him back. Here comes another one. He's on it. He was hitting it. He was nibbling and nibbling and nibbling. He had it again! What is going on right now? Here, I'm gonna see if I have one of these lights to draw some fish in. I should. Keyword should. Oh yeah. Here they are. If I tie this knot one more time and it breaks, I am going to lose my marbles. There he is. No, 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 why is it doing that? Hopefully he's still there. Why? Why? Oh no, I set that hook pretty good. Yeah, he's still there. I think. No? Look at that. That's great. That's great. It's great. Frickin' dunce. What we're gonna do, since they kept hitting the light, I'm just gonna put a little hook on it. And we are going to put some power bait on it. Alright, we got a light, and then about 4 or 5 inches down we got some power bait. They kept eating that light, so we're gonna drop this down there. Hopefully get them to bite the power bait. Alright guys, we're gonna go for a little walk, see if we can find some fish. It's still quite windy, but the snow at least stopped, so we're gonna just go walk around, pop some holes, and find the fish. Alright, let's try a hole here. Why did it do that? This battery just shit the bed? No, it's got juice. Is it too cold? Come on. Oh. There we go. There he is. Let's go. That's a good one too. It's a good one. That's a really good one. It's a really good one. That's what we're looking for, guys. That is it right there. Got that Invincicore split tail, the white split tail right in his mouth. He is coming home with me. Open your jaw. There we go, guys. Check that perch out. Hell yes. We'll get a better view on him with the sun. Look at that fish. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is what we wanted. What we wanted. We'll put this on that side. Yeah, there's one down there still. Here he comes. He's on it. There he is. Another good one. Not a bad one again, guys. There we go. This is what we were talking about. There we go. It's another nice little keeper, guys. Put him right in the sled. Yeah, here comes one. There he is. That's a good one. He wants to take drag. I can't really do much with him. And he came off. And he ruined my split tail. Okay, yeah, we're really gonna have to start walking back here soon because everything is freezing, including my reel. Oh, here's one. He's on it. There he is. That's not a bad one. Oh, never mind. He is pretty bad. Little perch. Just a little guy. But he did get that Invincicore split tail down his yap. Every single time. Nice little fish. Get him right back. That is not right back. Oh, here's another mark. He's coming for it. He's on it. There he is. He's tiny. Okay, that might be the smallest perch I've caught all year. That's impressive. That's actually impressive. He's like the size of my finger. Donkey. At least a 5 pound. Oh yeah, all day. At least 5 pounds, dude. I'd say that's being pretty conservative. I'd honestly go more towards like 6 or 7. Ooh, here comes one. He's going for the light. There he is. That's a good one. Pickerel. Ah! Ah! First picky of the day. Check that out, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Come on, buddy. Oh my god, I hate these things so much. They're so slimy. There we go. Nice pickerel. New species, guys. New species. I was using the creek bug earlier, but it's just too big of a presentation today. They're really picky. Get one good shot of him for the YouTube video. He's been caught before. You can see his mouth is a little tweaked, but he's still going good. See you later, dude. One's going up for the power bait, looks like. One's coming up for me. He's on me. Doesn't look very big, but and back down to the bottom he goes. There's one. Yeah, he about ripped my rod out of my hand. That's a good one. He engulfed it, dude. It's gone. It's gone. But check out this perch, guys. Stop moving. Beautiful little one. Not quite a keeper. We're just gonna get him back. Oh, here's one coming up. A big mark. There he is. Another tiny perch. Oh, look at that. Just a little perch. Another little one, but I think the YouTube video is going to be titled New PB or something, maybe, for smallest fish. He is on me bad. There we go. That's a good one. Oh my god, that's a really good one. That is a really good fish, guys. We just hooked into a giant. He's peeling drag. We got a giant. There we go. Finally, dude. Fucking finally. He's getting kept. I don't even care. Got half of that creek bug in his mouth. We used half a creek bug for that. Nice little perch. He will be coming home with us. That's a good mark. He had it. It's pissing me off, man. He just hit it. There we go. Now we got him. Not a bad one. Another nice little perch. Coming home with me. Nice one on the Invincicore again. Little keeper. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Axel's becoming a main character in my videos. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It kind of sucked. I kept getting short struck, which was really bothering me if you couldn't tell. I kept getting short struck and I forgot to record an outro because I was mad. So here we are the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next one.